The gravimetric blenders of Xiecheng are used in injection, extrusion, and blowing production, with more than one materials by different proportional mixture. 1. It is adopted with Simon's PLC control system. The advanced dosing method assures accurate self-calibration for each startup, easy and handy for operation. 2. It is also adopted with high accurate weight sensor. The deviation is plus or minus 0.1% to plus or minus 0.3% for each batch. 3. The gravimetric system can fulfill 8 different kinds of materials dosing and mixing. 4. It has large memory of up to 100 recipes.